Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add a best UI UX course link in the description. You can check out from there. Let's start with the review. It's a advanced course in graphic animation, web and UI UX in Ahmedabad by Kshitij Vivan, and it's a animation institute. So if we scroll down, it's a course overview, but they are going to teach you about graphic, web, animation, UI, UX. And if we go down, this is a course content about softwares and about what they are going to teach you. Photoshop, InDesign, Figma, 3D Max, Dreamweaver, Bootstrap, CSS, HTML. HTML, CSS are web development part, and if they are providing you, it's a advantage for you. Like Adobe Audition is not required, Adobe Premiere Pro is not required, 3D Max is not required because it's a different field. And if we scroll down, these are the career options after the course: video editor, UI UX designer, packaging designer. Like they have combined the course of graphic, 3D, UI UX into one course. Animation, graphic, video editing, these all the theory part and all. What is UI UX and all. If we scroll down, this is a student work and these are the location. Overall, it's a average course, like they didn't provide any AI tools and knowledge and proper depth about the UI UX mainly. So it's not a specific UI UX course, it's a overall combined course. If you want to learn UI UX on a basic level, this course will help you according to other skills. So if we review according to these parameters, curriculum was zero and project is there, tools and software training is there. Mentorship and feedback, as they didn't mention any providing the feedback after the portfolio or something. So it's a zero. Portfolio development, it's also one. But placement and support, they didn't mention any support in placement and career opportunities. Course values versus fees, they didn't mention any course values, so it's a 0.5. Industry reference update, it's also a 0.5. So it we go to it's a 3 out of 10. It's a 3 overall score. So it's basically a non-recommendation course. Like if you want to pursue a UX course, there are many better courses in the market which you can pursue. Also, I will add a link in the description of the UI UX course according to my recommendation, which contain heavy weightage according to these fundamentals: UX research, UI quality, and tools, software training, which are future oriented and which can help you in portfolio development and placement and support. You can check out from the description. I will add the link there. And if you have any query related to placement and career support and course value, you can drop a comment. Thank you.